What if I told you that you could wake up with stable, powerful energy, without caffeine crashes, without sugar spikes, and without feeling exhausted by noon? The truth is, your morning energy doesn't start with coffee. It starts with what you put on your plate. In today's video, I'm going to show you 12 powerful morning foods that naturally fuel your metabolism, stabilize your blood sugar, improve oxygen flow, and keep your brain sharp for hours. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final food might surprise you. It boosts circulation and mental clarity in a way most people completely overlook. Let's start with food number 1. Number 1, berries. Berries are one of the most powerful natural energy boosters you can eat in the morning. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which improve blood flow and protect your cells from oxidative stress. When your circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and brain more efficiently, and that translates into better physical and mental energy. Unlike sugary breakfast cereals or pastries, berries provide natural carbohydrates with fiber. That fiber slows down glucose absorption, preventing the sharp blood sugar spikes and crashes that make you feel tired mid-morning. Stable blood sugar equals stable energy. That's the secret. Berries also support mitochondrial health, and mitochondria are your cell's energy factories. When they function better, you literally produce more usable energy. Add berries to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply eat them fresh. Number 2, oats. Oats are one of the best slow-burning energy foods you can eat in the morning. They are rich in complex carbohydrates and beta-glucan fiber, which help release glucose slowly into your bloodstream. That steady release means sustained energy for hours, instead of a short burst, followed by fatigue. Oats also contain iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, essential nutrients for converting food into usable energy. If you constantly feel tired, sometimes it's not about calories, it's about missing micronutrients. On top of that, oats support gut health, and your gut plays a major role in nutrient absorption and inflammation levels. A healthy gut equals better nutrient delivery, and better nutrient delivery equals better energy production. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps support the channel and allows us to continue bringing you science-backed health content. Number 3, beans. Beans are one of the most powerful natural energy stabilizers you can eat in the morning. They're rich in complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber, which means they release glucose slowly into your bloodstream. Instead of a quick spike and crash like refined carbs, beans provide steady, long-lasting fuel that keeps your brain focused and your body energized for hours. Stable blood sugar is the foundation of sustained morning energy. They're also an excellent source of plant-based protein, helping maintain muscle strength and keep you full longer. That combination of protein and fiber prevents mid-morning cravings and energy dips. Beans are especially rich in iron, a mineral essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. When oxygen delivery improves, your cells can produce energy more efficiently, which directly impacts how alert and active you feel. In addition, beans contain magnesium and B vitamins that support cellular energy production. Magnesium helps convert food into usable energy, while B vitamins assist in metabolic processes that fuel your body. Plus, their fiber supports gut health, improving nutrient absorption and reducing inflammation. Whether it's black beans, lentils, or chickpeas, adding beans to your morning routine can significantly improve your energy stability throughout the day. Number 4, salmon. Salmon is one of the best morning foods for steady, long-lasting energy. It's rich in high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar and prevent the mid-morning crashes that often follow carb-heavy breakfasts. When your blood sugar stays balanced, your focus improves, and your energy remains consistent instead of rising and falling throughout the day. What makes salmon even more powerful is its high omega-3 content. These healthy fats reduce inflammation and improve circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach your brain and muscles more efficiently. Better circulation means better energy production, sharper thinking, and improved mental clarity, especially in the early hours of the day. Salmon is also packed with B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a direct role in converting food into usable cellular energy. It supports red blood cell production and nervous system health, both essential for stamina and alertness. Even a moderate portion in the morning can make a noticeable difference in how energized and focused you feel. Number 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes may not be the first food you think of for energy, but they play a powerful supporting role in how energized you feel throughout the day. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce oxidative stress and supports your adrenal glands, the system responsible for managing stress and energy balance. When your body isn't fighting excess inflammation, it preserves more energy for focus, movement, and productivity. They're also loaded with lycopene, a potent antioxidant that supports heart health and circulation. Better circulation means improved delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain. When oxygen flow is optimized, your cells can produce energy more efficiently, helping you avoid that heavy, sluggish feeling in the morning. In addition, tomatoes are naturally hydrating due to their high water content. Mild dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of fatigue, especially early in the day. Including fresh tomatoes in your breakfast, whether in eggs, salads, or smoothies, can support hydration, circulation, and overall energy stability in a simple but effective way. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are powerful natural energy boosters, especially in the morning. They're rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce fatigue and supports adrenal function, the system that regulates stress and energy balance. When your stress response is balanced, your body doesn't waste energy fighting internal strain, allowing you to feel more alert and refreshed. Citrus fruits also improve iron absorption from other foods you eat. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen through your bloodstream, and better oxygen delivery means better energy production at the cellular level. Pairing citrus with iron-rich foods like beans or leafy greens can significantly enhance your overall stamina and mental clarity. In addition, the natural sugars in citrus fruits provide a gentle energy lift without the crash associated with processed sugar. Because they contain fiber and water, they hydrate you while releasing energy gradually. A fresh orange or warm lemon water in the morning can help awaken your metabolism and support sustained clean energy throughout the day. Number 7. Chili pepper. Chili peppers are a surprising but powerful morning energy booster. They contain capsaicin, a natural compound that stimulates your metabolism and increases circulation. When blood flow improves, more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain and muscles, helping you feel more alert and physically energized without relying on caffeine. Capsaicin also activates your nervous system in a gentle, natural way. It triggers the release of endorphins, your body's feel-good chemicals, which can elevate mood and sharpen focus. That slight metabolic boost can help you feel warmer, more awake, and mentally switched on early in the day. In addition, chili peppers may support blood sugar balance by improving insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar means stable energy, preventing the crashes that leave you feeling drained before noon. Even a small amount added to eggs, avocado toast, or a morning savory bowl can give your metabolism a subtle but effective push. Number 8. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are small, but they deliver serious energy support. They're rich in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body. When inflammation is lower, your cells can focus on producing energy instead of fighting internal stress. That means smoother, more stable energy throughout the morning. They're also packed with fiber, especially soluble fiber, which slows digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar is key for avoiding the energy crashes that often happen after refined carbohydrates. By keeping glucose levels steady, flax seeds help maintain consistent focus and stamina for hours. In addition, flax seeds contain magnesium and plant-based protein, both essential for converting food into usable cellular energy. Magnesium plays a direct role in ATP production, the energy currency of your cells, while protein supports muscle function and satiety. Adding ground flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt is a simple way to upgrade your morning fuel and enhance long-lasting energy naturally. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables you can add to your morning, and it plays a powerful role in supporting natural energy production. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce oxidative stress and supports your body's stress response system. When your body isn't overwhelmed by internal inflammation, it preserves more energy for focus, movement, and mental clarity. It's also a good source of iron and folate, both essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Oxygen is critical for energy because your cells need it to produce ATP, the fuel that powers everything you do. When oxygen delivery improves, your stamina and alertness improve as well. In addition, broccoli supports detoxification pathways in the liver through compounds like sulforaphane. Efficient detoxification reduces metabolic waste buildup, which can otherwise contribute to fatigue. Whether lightly steamed, added to eggs, or blended into a savory breakfast bowl, broccoli is a simple but powerful powerful way to enhance your morning energy naturally. Number 10. Beets. Beets are one of the most powerful natural foods for boosting physical and mental energy. They're rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your muscles and brain, which directly enhances stamina and alertness. This improved oxygen flow is why many athletes use beet juice before workouts. When your cells receive more oxygen, they can produce energy more efficiently, delaying fatigue and improving endurance. Even in everyday life, that boost in circulation can help you feel more awake and mentally sharp throughout the morning. Beets also contain antioxidants and essential minerals like potassium and folate, which support heart health and cellular function. By promoting healthy blood flow and supporting red blood cell production, beets help your body generate steady, sustainable energy. Adding roasted beets or a small glass of fresh beet juice to your morning routine can make a noticeable difference in how energized you feel. Number 11. Nuts. Nuts are one of the most reliable foods for sustained morning energy because they combine healthy fats, protein, and fiber in one powerful package. Unlike fast-digesting carbohydrates that lead to energy crashes, the healthy fats in almonds, walnuts, and cashews digest slowly, providing steady fuel for hours. That steady release of energy helps you stay focused and productive without feeling hungry shortly after breakfast. They're also rich in magnesium, a key mineral involved in hundreds of metabolic processes, especially energy production. Magnesium helps convert the food you eat into usable ATP, the energy currency of your cells. Low magnesium levels are often linked to fatigue and low stamina, so including nuts in your morning meal can directly support cellular energy production. In addition, nuts contain antioxidants and vitamin E, which protect your cells from oxidative stress. When your cells are protected and functioning efficiently, your body can maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day. A small handful added to oatmeal, yogurt, or eaten on its own can provide a powerful, stable energy boost without spikes or crashes. Number 12. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the most powerful natural energy foods you can eat in the morning. They're rich in iron, a mineral essential for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Without enough oxygen reaching your cells, energy production slows down. By supporting healthy oxygen transport, leafy greens help reduce fatigue and improve stamina naturally. They're also loaded with magnesium and folate, two nutrients directly involved in cellular energy production. Magnesium helps convert glucose into usable ATP, the fuel your body runs on, while folate supports red blood cell formation and nervous system function. When these systems are working efficiently, you feel more alert, focused, and mentally sharp. In addition, leafy greens are packed with antioxidants and chlorophyll, which help reduce inflammation and support detoxification. Lower inflammation means less internal energy drain, allowing your body to direct more resources toward productivity and performance. Adding a handful of greens to your morning smoothie, eggs, or breakfast bowl can dramatically upgrade your daily energy levels in a simple, natural way. Your energy doesn't come from caffeine. It comes from cellular health, stable blood sugar, proper circulation, and nutrient density. Start adding even 3 of these foods to your mornings and watch how your energy shifts throughout the day. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Healthy Grams and let me know in the comments which of these foods you're going to try first. And remember, your mornings shape your entire day.